Hi everybody, it's Nadia here, and I just thought I would bring you, I was going to do a wish haul, and I got the idea off Joby to go and have a look at the jewellery, and I was a little bit disappointed because when I actually went onto the Wish website, they were like, free this but £2 for shipping, and I put so many things in my basket and I was going to click it, get it, and then I was like, eBay's so much cheaper, because I had a look round at the things that I was wanting to get, which were like earrings, a few headbands and things like that, and I was just like, they want £2 for shipping when I can get free shipping and pay £1 something. So, or auctions. So I know the big thing about Wish is that it's amazing, and you know, you can get things for free, but you pay for the shipping. eBay is so much better and so much quicker, because I've ordered a few things off Wish and it's taken 3 to 4 months to come, even come in my door, and it's like, why is everybody raving on about this Wish app? And it's not really that brilliant, to be honest with you. You know, I waited for this backdrop that I'm using now. I waited nearly 2-3 months for it. I've ordered this stuff off eBay that I'm going to be showing you, and it's all come within 2 or 3 weeks, and I was waiting nearly 3 months for this, for the stand behind it as well. You know, if you don't go into the description bar on Wish, you can be buying things that you don't actually think about, because this would claim to be 7B5, but it's not. It's 5B7, so technically it should be that way round, but I can't get that in the camera that I use, so I have to put it the long way. It's just frustrating when they say one thing and the other thing's happening. So I just thought, well, I'm doing it. I'm just going to go onto eBay, and I can tell you what, I spent less money than what I did on what would have spent on Wish. So everybody knocks the fakeness of eBay, but you get a lot of fakes on Wish as well. Another one on YouTube has just put out a makeup one, which again I was going to do, and the makeup came up to something like $45, and I was like, that's a lot of money. And then I went onto eBay and looked at exactly the same things, roughly. Not everything was dead on, but most of the things were on eBay for 3/4 of the price. So the choice is yours, guys. I'm just saying, I'm so glad I went to eBay. So I'm just going to start off with, I've had to open some packages because I didn't know, to make sure that I got everything. I'm going to get some scissors, would help. Oh, I've got a knife here. Ta-da! It's not a sharp one, guys, it's a butter knife. So I'm just rip into these packages. So I wanted like an AIRSPUN for just putting on, and so yeah guys, this was 99p with free shipping, and I was like, this will be perfect for me. If I don't like it, then I've not lost out on anything. On Wish, I think these were about £2, because they were free and £2 delivery. So then I ordered these earrings. So on Wish, something very similar to this was again about £3, £2 or £3, and I was just like, these are perfect. These are what I want. So they're lovely, and eBay earrings last me for years, and I know tassels are all in. So, and like I said, I paid £1.04p, and that was through bidding. So the next thing that I got was another pair of earrings, and obviously I'm going on what I like, and what I would have picked off Wish was very similar. So these guys were 70p. So like I say, these were 70p, and I'm going to put these ones in. But if I wanted similar ones on Wish, they'd have cost me free. They'd have cost me nothing, but they would have done, because I'd have had to pay £2 shipping. So for me, it's a lot of them's not worth it. Then I thought I'd order myself some sunglasses now on Wish. A lot of them were coming up as a couple of quid and £2 shipping. So I was like, this is why I went onto eBay. So these are really nice, really sturdy, big, reflective, and I paid for these £2.79, so I saved myself a good £2 or £3. And then I also ordered another pair. I saw these on the other site, extremely similar, oversized glasses, and they were like £1 or £2 plus £2 delivery, so it worked out at like, well, £2 dollars. And these are just big oversized glasses. Nobody's gonna see me, but for £1.37, because these were bidded on, you can't complain. They're sunglasses, you know, not quite my taste. I thought it was, but they're not. But I don't mind losing out on £1.37 than £4 or £5 that they would have been if I'd have got them from eBay. So these are the Romantic Women's Earrings Pearl Buckle Hooped Earrings, and these are gorgeous. Again, I bidded on these, which is what I like about eBay, and they're just pearls, but they've got the clasp that goes back. So IP, guys, and I really do like silver earrings, as you can tell. You know, silver and gold equally, to be honest with you. But yeah, so bargains too much, guys. I really do. I really do like my bargains. So with like the earrings that I got on, I like to put little stoppers on the back, and I'm running out of them. So I got a little bag, and these are just full of mini like bags, the like gel, the clear ones. 55p, and there is 1,000 pieces. I'm never going to run out of earring bags. 1,000 pieces for 55p. Again, on Wish, they were, or some were £1 plus shipping, but then some were free, but £2 shipping. 55p and free shipping. So guys, this is another, she says, when she can get it out. So this is another headband, guys, and I was like, because in the summertime I like my hair down, and it's like, so this is classed as the Fashion Champagne Crystal Headband, 82p. So again, I bidded on it. I can't keep saying it. Basically, it would have cost me like £4, which would be about £3. I've saved myself £2 by doing it myself on eBay. So you're gonna ask, what's all this jingling? I get my cat's collars off eBay, and these are absolutely amazing. I bought 6 of them. They're the colour range that you get. You can pick what pattern you have on them. Let me get a better one for you. I've put little paws on mine. These are £1.35, guys. Seriously. And not that my cats go through a lot of collar, but Ting seems to lose hers more than Mia does. But these are the snap-off ones. Okay, these aren't the snap-off ones. Oh, I'm not impressed with that. Because that will strangle him. So, these will definitely be going back. I like the snap-off ones. Because they can choke them, and I've obviously got them off the wrong person. Because I've got a person that I normally go to. But anyway, I normally pay £1.35, and they are the snap-off ones. Obviously ordered off the wrong person, but that's my fault. So we've got another pair of glasses. So I bidded on these. These are oversized designer clear lens sunglasses, rimless metal frame eyeglasses. So, and I just thought these were really nice and funky. So, and if I'd have gone on to Wish, like I keep saying, these would have cost me a lot more money. So, I'm not saying that I'm affiliated with Wish or anything like that, or I'm affiliated with eBay. No, I bought this out of my own money, and this is where I get all my little trinkets and things like that. So the next ones that I got from eBay, these were 84p. So again, I bidded on them, because when it's an odd number, unless it's 99p, it's always I've bidded on them. So these are them, guys. I'm going to take one off so you can actually see the benefit of it. So this is it, guys. There, it's like a feather earring with a nice little gemstone in it. And like I say, paid 84p. And I know on Wish they wanted £1 plus a couple of quid for shipping. I also ordered a ring. This ring is a Fashion Charm in silver rings, jewellery for wedding. That is gorgeous. So it's like, it's a knotted band, but also, there we go, it's got an opening. So it does actually fit on my thumb, and that's nice. But it will also fit, she says, my next finger down. So you're not really stuck with where you're going to put it. And again, it was T18 and it was 82p. I got these earrings. So these earrings I paid 60p for. And again, gorgeous, a pair of earrings. This is just like jewellery that I wear on the occasions where I'm then gonna take them off as soon as I get in. I don't wear earrings I haven't got a pair of earrings that I put in and wear constantly. I swap and change all the time with earrings, and I really do. So this was 99p, so that means it was 99p. I didn't bid on this, and this was free shipping. And this is another crystal rhinestone headband, and because I was trying to get everything for the 99p, but then I was like, just go on the auction, you know. And again, it's just a nice, because my hair will cover this part, so it's just the crystals on top, and I really do like this. Then this one, well, I think this is gorgeous. This is stunning. This was £1 2p, and oh, that's quite stretchy as well, so it's not going to dig into me. And that is beautiful, and it says woman's crystal beaded handmade, which I doubt, hair hoop knitting fish line headband. And you know, when my hair's down and messy, it just takes it off my forehead, and I really am happy about everything. So guys, out of the orders that I've put in, I've not received one pair of earrings, and it's been 3 weeks since I put the order through. This is falling off my head. Since I put the order in, to get one pair is not an issue for me. At the end of the day, I'm happy, and this is why I went onto eBay and not onto Wish. So obviously my opinions, and I'm not waiting 3 months. So, you know, sometimes you have to wait that little bit longer, but I know if I contacted the company now, I think they estimated on them. Let's have a look at the ones that are missing. These were estimated to come by the 18th of June. So, like, they'll get it and I'll be a happy camper. If not, they'll give me the money back, or they will send another pair out. I'll probably get the money back because I'd rather do that than messing around with everything. So, but yeah. So hopefully you enjoyed this haul. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.